Hello, viewers! We got a blockbuster challenge for you today. Can you guess the movie by emoji? And guess what? We got 15 wild rounds waiting for you, and you have only 10 seconds to each one, so stay sure. Okay, smash the subscribe button and let's roll the emoji movie madness.
Here we go. Can you guess the first film? Smooth start, it's Happy Feet. Which movie did you think this is?
Boom. Moana 2, let's ride the wave of adventure.
Do you recognize this movie?
Coraline.
What film do these emoji point you?
Sweet guess, that's Wonka.
Here comes your next cinematic challenge. How to Train Your Dragon. Can you guess the iconic movie?
Awesome! It's Jurassic World.
Take a wild guess what the name of this one. Chicken Run. What's your guess for this film? That's The Lion King.
You nailed it, dog man.
Which movie are these emojis sitting at?
Well done, a Minecraft movie. Any idea what might be? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Thinking you're no title of this movie. Yup, it's Inside Out.
What this movie?
Puss in Boots. Figure out the movie hidden in easy emojis. Beep boop, it's Well-E. Tell the name of this movie. Frozen.